Hey guys, this is the real Biggie Mile. We're at Jefferson. Yeet! With some bums over here fishing. There's no bums, I'm just saying. Yeah, that's getting crap. Hopefully I catch a striper, a big striper. Hey man, you got it on my phone, bro. A big striper or a sturgeon. Big striped bass.
I got golden chip one. Yeah, I got golden chip one.
Golden chip? It's not golden, it's cheddar. Cheddar cheese.
I'm not making something with that.
Right, stay right there. Stay right there. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. I can't see you. Everybody stay on the ground. Get up. What you eating, boy? You eating Brussels? Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Okay, you don't want to say hi? I'll say hi to me. This is a real Biggie Mile. Trying to catch some striped bass or sturgeon, whatever gets that mud sucker, and I will hopefully get one. Please. He said please. The little boy said please. His name is Chan Chan, and hopefully I will catch something good.